monkeys, this is Miss Sam, and today we are going to read a story that tells us more about oceans because our theme this week is oceans. So today we are going to read Ecosystems Oceans by Nadia Higgins. Above and below. On the surface, waves sparkle and crash. Animals swim below. This is the ocean. So here we can see all these big waves on the top of the ocean, and then down deep inside the ocean, all these fishies live and swim. Oceans cover most of the earth. The water is salty. It is deep. So on this photograph of the earth, all this blue stuff are oceans all over the planet. Oceans are full of life. Tiny plants float on top, and they need sunlight. Below, the ocean floor is like land. It can be flat. It can have mountains. It can have caves. But all of this is still underwater. Seagrass grows there. Small fish eat the grass. See, right here it says seagrass and points to the bottom. Bigger animals eat the fish. So over here we have the lionfish, and then over here the lionfish just became somebody's lunch. Sea animals can swim. Look, a turtle flaps its flippers. See this word right here, flipper. A shark waves its tail. The shark does not need air. It has gills. These are the shark's gills. It gets oxygen from water. Monkeys, did you know that we get oxygen from air that we breathe? And fish do it differently. They get their oxygen from the water they live in. A whale needs air. Whoosh! It comes up for a breath. Because whales are mammals just like us. That's why they need air. They don't get their oxygen from water. They get their oxygen from air. Then it sinks back under the waves. Where are the oceans? The oceans of the world are actually connected in one continuous body of water. The 5 oceans. So up here at the top we have the Arctic Ocean. Over here on the left we have the Pacific Ocean. Then we have the Atlantic Ocean. Then we have the Indian Ocean. Next is the other side of the Pacific Ocean. These 2 Pacifics are exactly the same ocean. And then way down at the bottom we have the Southern Ocean. And let's look at some words that we talked about today. We learned about flippers, wide flat parts that turtles, seals, and other animals use to swim. Then we also talked about the ocean floor. This is the bottom of the ocean. We also learned about gills, the body part that fish and some other animals use to take oxygen from the water. And then last we had oxygen. It's a gas in air and water that animals need to live. Hi guys, I hope you enjoyed our story, Ecosystems Oceans. And I will see you guys tomorrow on our Zoom call. Enjoy your lunch, monkeys!